Are you ready to go beyond the surface and become the kind of man that women find irresistibly attractive? If so, then you've come to the right place. Looks matter, but a well-rounded lifestyle is the real game changer. In today's video, we'll delve into hobbies that not only enhance your life but make you stand out in the eyes of women. Let's explore these irresistible pursuits together. First and foremost, let's talk about the cornerstone of an irresistibly attractive man: intellectual charm. Every man should cultivate a hobby that showcases this charm, and what better way to do so than through the timeless game of strategy and wit, chess. Not only does chess sharpen your mind, but it also exudes a unique charm that captivates. It's the perfect conversation starter and a subtle demonstration of your strategic prowess. It's a surefire way to ignite women's interest and set you apart from the rest. Moving on to the realm of solo creative expressions. These hobbies are your secret weapons for moments of introspection and showcasing your artistic side. Women are attracted to men who have depth and creativity, and these hobbies can help you tap into that side of yourself. Whether it's painting, learning an instrument, video editing, or programming, these activities not only add a new dimension to your personality but can be incredibly alluring to women. Imagine playing the guitar while serenading a woman or showing her your latest painting during a date. These hobbies can make you stand out and create a deep connection with a woman. Now, let's talk about another essential aspect of an irresistibly attractive man: physical confidence and presence. A man who takes care of his body exudes confidence and presence, a trait that women find undeniably attractive. Engaging in physical hobbies not only keeps you fit but also showcases your physical prowess and self-assurance. Consider activities like Muay Thai, boxing, or calisthenics. These not only help you stay in shape but also enhance your strength and agility. If team sports are more your thing, then join a local sports league and showcase your team player attitude. These hobbies not only add depth to your personality but also showcase unique qualities that women find attractive. From chess and other strategic games to solo creative pursuits like painting and programming, and physical activities like Muay Thai and yoga, incorporating these hobbies into your life can elevate your appeal and make you stand out in a sea of men. Smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and start incorporating these hobbies into your life. The journey to becoming the man women desire begins now.